Agilysys is a hospitality software company. It's interesting, Mark, because this is one of those where they beat on the earnings by a pretty substantial amount, actually, 38 cents over 34, but they missed on the revenue. And unfortunately, the miss on the revenue was pretty large. They put up 69 million. They were looking for 73 million. This is a stock under some serious pressure today. It's down about 20%. The balance sheet, by the way, in my opinion, does not look great. It's not a high short interest or something, but I don't like what the numbers look like when you add it all up. The biggest problem, though, coming out of this is the fact that they unfortunately gave the revenue guidance and it was below what was expected. And that's never a good thing. That's always been that trigger. You can do whatever you did last quarter, and that does matter a lot. But what matters the most is, what does it look like in the future? The CFO himself came out and talked about the challenges that they're facing and all the rest of it, Mark. That's never good when they've got to do that. And that just tells me that things are not really going very well. This is one of those names where on this pullback, 20%, I have no interest in buying at all.
No, totally agree with that, Pete, particularly when you put this news against the backdrop of what the street's overall outlook for the hospitality sector is for 2025. And it's pretty darn good. Almost unanimously anticipating among the analysts that follow the sector, 3.5 to 4.5, even 5% growth in top line revenue across the hospitality sector. We saw even continuation of that from some of the airlines that have already reported earnings this season. So if the rest of your sector is doing well and you're struggling that much, it actually gives me even more cause for concern. This is a no touch for me.